In this video, I'll show you how to record YouTube TV shows on a smart TV. There are two ways to record future shows in your absence. YouTube TV is a streaming service that gives you access to over 100 channels, including sports, live events, and entertainment programs. One of its standout features is the recording function called DVR. You can not only record shows that are currently airing, but also schedule recordings for future programs. For example, if you have a show starting in a couple of hours or even days later, but you're busy with other commitments, you can still record it and watch it later. And the best part, it all happens automatically without you needing to be there. Sounds convenient, right? So let's go step by step and I'll show you how to record shows on YouTube TV. Record shows from the Live Guide. First, open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV and make sure you're signed in. From the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the Live tab. Here you'll see the names of shows currently airing, along with their times. For example, Last Man Standing might air at 4 p.m., while Seinfeld could be coming on at 5 p.m. Scroll through to find a show you want to record. When I select the program, I press down to highlight the plus icon and then hit enter on my remote to start recording. The icon will change to a check mark, confirming it's set to record. A tip: if you don't see the show in the Live Guide, use the search option, the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. Search for your show, then add it to your library the same way. Find recorded shows in the DVR. To find your recordings, press the back button on your remote until you return to the YouTube TV home screen. Then go to the Library tab and select Scheduled to view all upcoming recordings. Once shows are recorded, you'll see them listed here. One important note: if you record a series, YouTube TV will automatically record every future episode, not just the one you scheduled. The good news is that YouTube TV offers unlimited DVR storage, so you can record as much as you want without worrying about space. If at any point you want to stop recording a program, just select the check mark again and it will switch back to a plus icon. That means recording is canceled. Final note: YouTube TV's DVR is powerful and unlimited, but recordings are tied to your account. Even if you add the 4K Plus add-on, downloads are limited to offline viewing on a smartphone or tablet, not on your PC or laptop. And that's everything you need to know to record shows on YouTube TV directly from your smart TV. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.